Welcome to the Dominican Republic, where last night we were thrashed with 50-mile-an-hour gusts. If you can just pen onto this hotel here, as you can see, devastation. Up to last night, this hotel was busy, thriving. There was music playing, people having a good time. And this morning, people were evacuated. And as you can see, there's really not much left. Oh my God. Let's just go into the hotel, let's just see what's... Careful as you come through here. You really have been destroyed. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Clearly they were playing some sort of game, but that's not going to happen anymore. I believe the wind tore through here about 2 o'clock last night. Now look at the pool. Come and look at the swimming pool. It wasn't until 12 hours ago there were people playing in this pool, relaxing, having a good time, enjoying a pina colada or a Cuba Libre, or sometimes a Santa Libre, or sometimes just, you know, a glass of wine. But they were here, enjoying themselves. Hello? Hello? Filling of fish with tuna, spring chicken, charcuterie pork chops, sirloin steak. All at very good prices. Won't be eating these today. Not here. Very sad. I'll take this with me for reference. Steady there. What else have we got here? Oh! We found the little black disc, which will probably have some of the last moments of receptionist's dealings behind reception. We'll put this on the computer later, see what we can get. Oh, and there's a phone book. I need one of these. Is that looting? Is that looting if I take this? Maybe I should leave. I don't know. Children were playing, children were smiling, children were having a good time with their parents. Now, nothing but floating wood and green water. These were once houses for sale. As you can see, blown away in the wind. Two children desperately recovering the chair. The wind has blown into their pool. An operation they're trying to make the best out of by enjoying themselves, sitting in the chair in the water. Quite dangerous. Just take the chair out of the pool, boys. Boys.